Today, steak. This one only cost $10. First thing, get it seasoned and wait for it to become room temperature. Thyme, olive oil, dog's face, garlic, butter, $2.75. 25 minutes. Unless your steak is fatter or thicker than mine, put it in longer. While you wait for the steak to rest, make the powdered mashed potatoes. They're just as good as real mashed potatoes, almost. Asparagus time. This one's easy. Butter, garlic, put it on medium-high for about a minute, then get your cast iron hot as fuck. Throw the thyme down. I know the butter's going to burn. I know the garlic's going to burn. I don't give a fuck. If you have extra butter juices, go ahead and dump that on top. You're going to hear some popping noises. That's the thyme exploding with flavor. Kind of like the time I exploded in your mom's mouth when she was sucking my dick.